Welcome to the Resogra Vendor Academy. In this video, you will learn how to create a product bundle. A bundle lets you sell several products together as one set, usually at a small discount, so customers buy more in a single order. It is a simple way to lift your average order size and move related items together. Let us build one. Start in your Product Bundles page, under Seller Tools in the menu. This is where all of your bundles live. To make a new one, click the Add New Bundle button in the top right. That opens the bundle builder, where you set the name, the products, and the discount. First, give your bundle a clear, appealing name, like Holiday Gift Set or Coffee Lovers Kit. This is the name customers will see in your store, so make it sound like something they would want to buy as a set. Now add the products that go inside the bundle. Use this search box to find a product by name, then click it to add it to the list. Add at least 2 products, since a bundle is all about buying them together. You can set the quantity of each one as well. Here is the fun part, the discount. Enter the total amount you want to take off when someone buys the whole set, for example $10, then click Apply. Resogra spreads that saving across the products, so customers can clearly see they are getting a deal by buying the bundle. Set the status to active so your bundle shows up in your store right away. If you are not quite ready, leave it on disabled, finish it later, and switch it on when it is good to go. When the name, products, and discount all look right, click Create. That is it. Your bundle is now live, and customers can add the whole set to their cart in one click, which means bigger orders for you. And that is how you create a product bundle. Bundles are one of the easiest ways to raise your average order and move related stock, so try grouping your best sellers with a small saving. Thanks for watching the Vendor Academy, and welcome to the Resogra family.